No.
Different. Oh. Sweet Autumn Baby.
Go.
Okay.
Rip it open for that.
Future big cousin.
Oh, what's that, sweetie?
It's a shirt.
Yeah.
Show him.
Can we see, sweetie? Let's see the shirt.
Hold it up.
Hold it. Can we see, sweetie?
Autumn
Can
Baby.
you see?
That's what I got. Oh yeah, they're the same.
Look where it's made. Underneath more.
I can't see. I don't have my glasses on.
Oh, jeez.
Autumn Baby. She doesn't get it.
You're having a baby? Okay. Do you know what that means?
Seriously?
You're getting a cousin!
Oh, age 9 months with love, October 2016. Oh my God!
This needs to be on video that Christina's speechless. This needs to be on video.
Oh my God!
Told you right away! Oh man! Oh, this is exciting.
Oh, that was. And you had it on video.
Why don't you give them the other one?
Age 9 months with love, October. The grandparent gift.
You're getting a
I
cousin!
have a cousin.
Yay!
She cares about this.
We're getting a baby cousin.
Oh my gosh!
October, probably September.
Wow!
Thank you.
Isn't that exciting? That's exciting. Wait. I'm gonna wait till you stop videoing. So I don't
Okay.
Little peek. Oh, are you pregnant?
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say.